Hello, Peter Young here, and this is how you zoom in Premiere Pro. In your sequence, go to the time that you want your zoom to start. Select the clip that you want to zoom and go to the Effects Controls tab. Select the stopwatch next to scale to set a keyframe. Move the playhead forward to the point at which you want your zoom to end, and then hover your mouse over the scale value and click and drag to increase the zoom. Now when you replay, you'll see it zooms in. To make the zoom less harsh, click and drag to select the keyframes, right click on one of the keyframes and select Bezier. Now when you replay, you'll see the zoom is much smoother. I hope you found this tutorial useful. In Sunday Shorts we dive straight to the content to give you what you need to know as quickly as possible. Let me know if you like it by leaving it a like and subscribe if you'd like more. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.